Hi, I'm Scott with Coastal Conversions here in Hampstead, Maryland, and today we're going to be showing you a tour of the Pink Panther. You'll see why we're naming it the Pink Panther here in a minute. This is on a Sprinter 144 high roof chassis. You'll notice we didn't do any exterior windows or any exterior upgrades. This is a traveling nurse that wanted to be a little more incognito. So with that being said, let's check out the interior. As you can see, our client's favorite color is pink. And since all our vans are custom, we allow our clients to choose their color scheme for their vans. So one of the things is kind of our standard happy hour table that matches all the interior cabinets. We also have the bug net on the sliding door from our friends at Rolla. Two nice features about these bug nets: has this magnetic door so you can come in and out of the van and it will close for you. Also, this can roll up, so you still have access to your happy hour table without letting bugs inside your van. First thing you'll notice is that I am 6'4", so I make these vans look a little small. If you bring our guy Ryan in here, we'll see how much space there actually is in here. So Ryan's the main guy behind what you see in these vans and the electrical. And as you can see, he makes the vans look and feel a lot bigger. So we named this Pink Panther, obviously because of the pink color, but two, this client is going to be traveling with their cat, so we made them a cat cabana. So this allows the client, if the cat's inside, to fill up the water and food dish, or if the cat's hanging out here, they can have the water and food dish easily accessible. This goes back in, and obviously a place for the cat to hang out and sleep. We have not installed it yet, but this will have a lagoon swivel tabletop for the client to have a nice work area and a nice table to eat at. As you walk in the van, first thing you notice is this stainless steel refrigerator freezer from Isotherm. We also have a microwave up top. So right above the fridge, you have your control panel. We have the switches for your lights, which are on two separate zones, the lights in the front and the back, and on dimmers. We also have your Webasto heater thermostat. You also have your Red Vision from Red Arc, which controls everything in the van. Also here you have your outlet, you have a USB port, and then we have a WeBoost, which is a mobile hotspot. And above me we have the Max Air Fan Deluxe, which comes standard in all of our builds. This is a fan slash exhaust system, which is controlled with a remote control. This is a must to have in all your vans. Moving over to the galley, we have the countertop extension, which obviously gives the client a little more counter space since this is a shorter van. We have the nice size sink that can do all their dishes in. Obviously your faucet. Moving down, we have a 2-burner induction cooktop. We have some storage space below the sink, and then a nice bank of drawers underneath the cooktop. Onto the shower. We have the nice vinyl tiles. Shower head, this raises up and down, so if they're sitting down, they can use that or raise it standing up. This has a pause button to conserve the water for the client, and the nice custom tile flooring. So moving back to the bed, in order to give the client enough space to sleep widthwise, we installed these flares from Flare Space. In here we have two reading lights. Above the bed we have the 12-volt air conditioner from our friends at Nomadic, and I'm betting Nomadic has never seen a pink air conditioning shroud. Over here we have another control panel for the lighting, an outlet, and USB ports. We have the custom memory foam mattress, and this is very custom. As you can see, it follows the contour exactly to the van. Let's take you back to the garage. On this side we have all the electronic components, your batteries, your inverter, DC to DC charger. Everything is concealed in here with a access panel in case you need to get back there. We have your 120 panel switch here, outlet, and your master switch for the entire electrical system in the van. On the other side, we have a 20-gallon freshwater tank. We have the water pump, accumulator, all the water system is maintained on this side. Above here, we have hooks to hang things. One of the features in this, Similar to the sliding door, we have the bug net. So this bug net has a couple different features. If you want to keep the inside blacked out, but still want access to your garage, let's fold this up. Then you can have the bug nets while you're laying in bed, looking outside, still have access to the garage. So nice features with these bug nets from Rolef. So that about wraps it up for this conversion tour. This was one of the more basic conversions that we've done. However, we were still able to do a few special features for the client to really make it feel like their own personal conversion. Please follow us on our YouTube page to see all the other builds that we have done with in-depth tours and components and features listed there as well. You can contact us at coastalconversions.com if you're interested in your very own coastal conversions. And obviously, please check out some of our other social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You know what to do. Cheers.